You gonna sing? Okay. What are you gonna sing? Do you know the Teapot song? Can you sing that?
She can
No.
sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Monkey Pancake!
Monkey pancake, boom, boom.
Let me get your syrup, okay?
Okay.
Is that a monkey pancake, Ginny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You roll up.
You roll it up? You like a sandwich? Okay.
I can cut it up for you if you'd like.
Are you getting ready for your elephant pancake?
You want to cut it up?
This is Ginny having her pancake on her second birthday.